Now is it doing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
You're going to be a pro on this, aren't you? Man.
Oh.
You could maybe get a job doing this.
Did you bonk it? No, don't bonk them. Because then you squash the chocolate.
You might knock their head off.
Nobody hollered at you.
There's no head.
That little bump is the head.
Okay, give some of the other ones. They're naked. They don't have any snow on them.
This one does.
No,
That one has
that
plenty.
does, but we need to do these.
The ones that don't even have a thing on them. Except for chocolate.
Oh, you're real sugary. Ooh, whoa, whoa.
Good
Are you
job.
having fun?
How about this one?
That one doesn't even
see.
have anything on me.
Whoop! Well, I didn't do good at all.
It was a bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Okay, how about that one?
Oh, good job. So serious. Who are you baking cookies for?
Christian, who are you baking cookies
Who are you
for?
baking cookies for, Christian? Everybody.
That's
You're so
right.
nice.
I think that one has enough
Okay,
snow on
let's
it.
go to
Go
these.
to a different one.
Wait a minute. Oh!
Oh, good thing they've got a robot that sweeps.
Okay, let's try those other two.
What?